everybody, how are you today? It's Sophie from Sally Holland's participation team. Sally Holland is the Children's Commissioner for Wales, and her job is to make sure every single one of you is kept happy, healthy and safe. We are now in the month of December, and December's right of the month is article number 14, your right to choose and follow your own religion. During the year, religions from across the world celebrate lots of different celebrations. Some of these are Easter, Diwali, Eid, Hanukkah and Christmas. Do you celebrate one of these celebrations or maybe a different one? How about you turn to the person next to you or maybe speak to somebody in your house about what celebrations you celebrate during the year? Maybe then you could even make a card to celebrate this celebration. You will need a piece of A4 card or paper, fold it in half. You can then maybe draw or paint a picture on the front to go along with your celebration. Maybe there's a special symbol that goes with the religion, or maybe you can cut and glue some pictures from old magazines and papers to the front. You could then write a lovely little special message inside to whoever you wish.